Dzień dobry, hello! Ako nga pala si Ria, isang Filipina English teacher na ninirahan dito sa bansang Poland. For today's video, bibigyan ko kayo ng simple guide on how to apply as an English teacher dito sa bansang Poland. Well, una sa lahat, prepare your updated CV. Make sure naka-highlight ang teaching experience mo, especially if may ESL or classroom experience ka. Tapos, kung meron kang TEFL, TESOL, or teaching certificate, well, malaking plus yan. Kahit anong online certificate, napaka-helpful din. Next naman, start searching sa mga websites like prowork.pl, olx.pl, o kaya naman pwede mo ding i-upload ang iyong updated CV via LinkedIn. Then, be ready with your demo teaching video or interview dahil usually tatanungin ka about your teaching style and kung paano ka mag-handle ng students. Next, kapag natanggap ka na, your employer usually helps you with the work permit and visa process. Siguraduhin mo lang na complete ang documents mo like diploma, TOR, and NBI clearance. Kailangan din valid ang iyong passport. And lastly, be confident in speaking English. So, good luck kabayan! Hanggang dito na lamang. Bye!